Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 7-bedroom, 7-bathroom house that offers a captivating view of the ocean and the surrounding areas of Freeport, Fairview, Whitehouse, and the Sangsters International Airport. It is a spectacular site for viewing fireworks when carried out in Montego Bay. It is a great place to call home in Reading, St. James. Based on the location and easy access to shopping and water sports activities, just 5 minutes away. This house has great bones for your personal designs, softened with outdoor space to enjoy the fruit and vegetable garden. This house is approximately 6,000 square feet and sits on a little over half an acre. It comes with laminate flooring and a little extra for those undone and vanished finished dress roof. It's your taste versus the owner's. Do not hesitate. If you love it and need it, buy it. Make an offer today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 750,000 or Jamaican $119.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.